yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kevin. Today we're going to do slow cooked Asian pork chop recipe in a slow cooker. So our ingredients are 2 pounds of pork chops, 1/4 cup brown sugar. We are using the Splenda brown sugar mix, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of garlic minced, and it does say salt and pepper to taste. I don't normally do that when I'm putting them into the slow cooker. So we are going to make our mix first. So we're going to start with brown sugar. A teaspoon of ground ginger. Oh, and I think I forgot the, no I didn't, I mentioned the garlic. Okay, a 1/2 cup of the soy sauce. Or a cup of ketchup. And 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Okay. Just gonna mix this up. Okay. And we're just gonna put our pork chops into the slow cooker. And pour the sauce over. Now the instructions say you can cook it on slow, but we're only about 4 hours from supper, so we're going to cook it on high. And I'll just keep an eye on it throughout the afternoon. That is it for that recipe. Very quick and simple. These are actually, we had a big pack of pork chops. We had pork chops for Saturday night for supper, so those are the 2 bigger butt, I guess they're more of a butt chop left over from those, and they worked out great. So I'm going to turn this on to high, and we will check that a little bit later. With this, we have some low carb noodles. We're going to do some vegetables, mix it all together, and have it with the pork chops. So we will be back in a little bit. Okay, we got our chopped up veggies and seasoning. We're using this Asian stir fry. It calls for a couple tablespoons. Also some soy sauce to flavor. I don't know if we're going to add the soy sauce in. I do have some olive oil in there as well. And we are also over here. These are the low carb noodles. I'm going to cook them up and then we're going to add them into the veggies. So the vegetables are coming along nicely. My water's boiled. I'm gonna add in our low carb noodles. Okay. And then I'm going to be mixing the noodles in with the vegetables to finish that up. And I'll bring you back. Alright, we're going to add in the noodles. I'm going to add just a very dash of soy sauce. There we go. Is our noodles with our Asian seasoning and that little bit of soy sauce. So, okay, we will see you. I'm gonna go actually plate this, and then we'll see you over at the table.
This smells so good.
Well, I'm gonna try the veg first.
That seasoning nice?
Yeah, it's mild.
That's really good.
It's good though. Pork chops turned out
They're falling apart.
super falling apart.
Another awesome recipe.
It's really good. Okay. That's it for another episode of Cooking with Kevin. Until next time.